What if you could get the absolute power of a flagship smartphone without paying the flagship price? Well, get ready, because the iQOO Neo series is back, and the upcoming Neo 11 and Neo 11 Pro are looking to completely shake things up. Thanks to a reliable leak from the well-known tipster digital chat station, we have our first look at what could be two of the most powerful value flagships of the year. So let's dive into specs. Let's start with the heart of these phones, the processors. And this is where things get really interesting. The standard iQOO Neo 11, model number V2302A, is rumored to be packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Yes, you heard that right. Qualcomm's absolute top-tier chipset, typically found in phones costing over $1,000, could be coming to the Neo series. This means incredible performance for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. But what about the Pro version? The iQOO Neo 11 Pro, or V2303A, is said to be powered by MediaTek's beast, the Dimensity 9300. Another flagship-level chip known for its raw power and efficiency. Having two different flagship chipsets for the standard and Pro models is a bold move, and it sets the stage for a fascinating choice for consumers. Moving on to the display, it seems both phones will share a brilliant screen. We're looking at a flat panel with a 1.5K resolution. That's 2,800 by 1260 pixels, and a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media or playing fast-paced games, this display is built for performance. Powering that screen is a massive battery. The leak suggests a capacity of over 5,000 milliamp hours for Neo 11 and a slightly larger 5,160 milliamp hours for Neo 11 Pro. And for charging, both models are expected to feature blisteringly fast 120W wired charging. That means you can go from 0 to a full charge in just a matter of minutes, practically eliminating battery anxiety. Now, let's talk cameras, where the Pro model is expected to pull ahead. The standard iQOO Neo 11 will reportedly feature a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, or OIS, which is great for reducing blur and capturing stable videos. Step up to the Neo 11 Pro, and you're getting a more premium setup. The leak points to a 50MP main camera using Sony's high-quality IMX920 sensor, also with OIS. But here's the upgrade. It's paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This dual 50MP system should offer significantly more versatility and detail in your shots. Rounding out the specs, both phones will likely have an in-display fingerprint sensor, a plastic frame, and a glass back, which is typical for this segment to keep costs down. So what does all this mean? The iQOO Neo 11 series is shaping up to be a true flagship killer. By stuffing these phones with the best processors, incredible displays, and super fast charging, iQOO is blurring the lines between mid-range and high-end more than ever before. The launch is expected in China around May or June, so we'll be keeping a close eye on any official news. What do you think of these leaked specs? Are you excited for the iQOO Neo 11 series? And more importantly, which one would you choose? The Snapdragon-powered Neo 11 or the Dimensity-powered Neo 11 Pro with its better camera? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our full coverage when these phones officially drop. Thanks for watching.
To a new day in the same place with a new flame. I will make change. I will make a new life. Yeah, I know.